Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Realme Buds Q2 with your iPhone. At the first, you have to remember to charge your case and earbuds inside at least to the 50% until this indicator switch from red to the green. Of course, you have to also remember to remove this foil from this part on your earbuds. Another step, just remove them from the case. Go for your iPhone on the Bluetooth settings, enable by tapping on the switcher, and then they will pop on the list. You can move them to the pairing mode manually. They are always in the pairing mode when they are fully charged and removed from the case. So select your Realme Buds Q2 from the list. And as you can see right now, we are connected. So that was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.